So I'm very happy to have you on this board. My name is Precious Tio. Yeah, my name is Precious Tio. And on this dashboard, this is Notion dashboard where we have a productivity tax. And what it aims to do is just to make sure we display all the tax that is before the organization in that view. So you can see here this one contain goals. So what this dashboard aims to do is just to have all the processes that are involved in one place. So that's what it's aimed to do. And what this is going to do shortly is after we input what we have to do for today. Let me put it there. So submit a video for the task. Okay, let's say okay, submit a video for the completion of the task Then we choose the date. Today is 23rd as it is currently, and the priority for now is high. So the priority is high. Why? Because this is needed to be done today and it's not started yet. What is aimed to do here is just to make sure you submit the tax. So over here, these are the properties for the tax, and you can see automatically we have this validation flag to show long overview. So the system that works here is mainly to show us that if we're trying to input tax in today and it is not yet started, whereas today's the due date is going to show value. So that's what that aims to appear. So one thing I'm going to see shortly after this is that after we input this task, it is going to be triggered on our Zapier on the back end, and it's going to notify the agency, the organization, or myself that I have a new input on my Notion dashboard and I should do what I want to do. So now let us go on the walkthrough on how this app works. So this Notion is connected, this first app is connected to the Notion dashboard, and after that we will get a delay for 1 minute. So we ought to get a notification on our mail after 1 minute. So after 1 minute, we got the notification, then we have a filter here. The way this filter works is that if the status is still showing not started, so we should get a notification. So what the notification aims to do is just to notify the organization that you have a task over here which you want to do. Myself, I have a goal I need to achieve and need to attend to it. So and here we have the Gmail showing who ought to get the Gmail. So this one is going to send to one of my Gmail, then this one to the other. I'm going to show you the proof of all, and this means that is going to get delivered. So what this dashboard aim to add to your organization or to your own personal tax is that it will help you to display all what you have to do in one place, and it will be easy for you to get all those progress done. Why? Because you'll be able to monitor them as they ought to be, and you get all the things you need. So after that, we got some few filters on this page where you can display to this task. So over here, these are like the three tasks that are in for today. The first one, submit a video for this. That one, high priority, not started yet. Okay, this is the one we input the other time, and this one is showing in progress. So what we did over there is just we added the filter mainly to have those tasks in your view. So here you can check for overdue tasks. What this one does is that it will be to project all the tasks that is going to expire today, 23rd of 10, 2025. That's the time I'm recording this video. All right. So for this, there are some other things which you can do with this Notion dashboard. You can set up a lot of template on you, and here is just some other things which is needed to be displayed. Then here we show the routine. See, look, do you see that? So after that, then what other things here you could manage some things up on this page. So in the next few minutes, we are going to check out the Gmail and check out for the notification which we will receive. So that notification is containing the tax that we just inputted in our DB. So I'm going to share you the all right, so let's check into our notification. It is 1 minute plus, and now can you see this message? We have a new entry. So this is a reminder that submit a video for completion. Due date this priority I make you submit the task. You can see this is exactly what we input on the dashboard that we have here. So same way, this other party got the same message as Ogunbe Peter one. You can check it over there.